Hi, welcome back to my channel. This week, I'm going to talk about YouTube video ideas. So if you don't know what type of videos to create or what to create videos on, here are some ways to search for video content ideas that could work for your business. So this video is basically for people who don't have an audience at all. Like when you first start your business, you don't know what to create your videos on. You don't have anybody watching your videos. Like if you don't have any email subscribers or any social media following, or if you don't have like an engaged list of followers or people you can actually survey and ask, what do you want me to create videos on? So this is for you if you have zero audience or a low audience, no engagement. The first thing that you should do is join Facebook groups. So if you're new, you should be joining Facebook groups anyways. I mean, that's where you get to socialize with people who have the same interest as you, like especially if you're in business. You actually want to join Facebook groups that your target audience are already in. So if you were a copywriter and your target audience was female service-based entrepreneurs, then you would probably want to join Facebook groups that are geared towards female service-based entrepreneurs. So you would probably research groups that actually hold a lot of your target audience. Then you'd probably want to start checking out all the comments and seeing what problems people are having. Like somebody might be asking about sales copy, like what are some tips on creating the best sales page that converts more sales? So then you would know, oh, I can create a video on this. You could copy and paste that person's question and actually like have it in a Google Excel sheet or Google Sheets or Excel sheets. Just keep a spreadsheet of all the questions that you gather. So that's one tip on how to create content ideas geared towards your target audience. My second tip is to search Quora. If you don't know what Quora is, it's actually a website where people can ask questions and professionals actually answer them. You can actually go to Quora, sign up, and look for specific topics. Like they have so many topics on different things. It's like a gold mine of questions. Sometimes you'll notice that people are asking the same thing over and over again. That should tell you, I need to create a video on that if it pertains to your business, of course. So let's use wedding photographers as an example. Like somebody might be asking you, like, what are the best locations for wedding photos? How can you find local areas that have good photography, photo settings? I don't know, photo background. maybe some people are asking like the best times to take wedding photos or the best poses for wedding photos. So search Quora for your topic that relates to your business and create videos on what people want. Also, when you create that video, you can actually use that to answer the question if not a lot of people have answered it. My third tip is to go to Ask the Public. Ask the Public is awesome because you can type in a topic and it comes out with a million things related to that topic. It'll answer how to, what. It's actually all the things that people ask related to that topic. So you can get an idea of what people are searching for around that topic. So I typed in copywriting and you see these are useless. Can copywriting be a noun? Will copyrighted be animated? But you also see like copywriting, what does it mean? That could be a good video topic. It looks like there's a lot of people who want to know like how is copywriting used, how to start a copywriting business, how to copywriting for blogs, but let's see if I can do something else. The only bad thing about this is I think you can only ask 3 questions in a day if you're using the free version. So how to write sales copy. How to write sales copy for a website. That's a good one. A lot of it is the same. All of it is the same. I guess those are the only things that people think about. Oh, how to write good sales copy. How to write sales copy for a website. How to write sales copy. How to write great sales copy. How to write effective sales copy. How to write persuasive sales copy. How to write killer sales copy. How to write a sales copy for a book. If your service was writing sales copy, then you could probably take some of these ideas over here. The fourth thing you should do is see what your competitors are doing. If you know who your competitors are, which you should, you should go to see if they have YouTube videos or blog posts. So if I was a copywriter looking for content ideas, then I would go to my competitor's YouTube page. But since I'm not a copywriter, I have to search for an actual copywriter, and I'm going to go ahead and use Don Locke, since he was the first person that came up, and he has 237,000 views in the past 6 months. And it says, what is copywriting? How do you get into it? So I'm gonna click on his channel, I'm gonna go to his videos, and then I'm gonna sort by most popular. And you see that his first video has 6.4 million views. It says, how to sell anything to anyone, anytime. Sell me this pen. If I was a copywriter, I would be thinking, oh, people wanna know how to sell anything, or people wanna know how to sell their products. And if you can sell something insignificant like a pen, then people would be interested in that. So I actually see that the rest of his videos have nothing to do with copywriting. So I'm going to go on to the next person. So whenever you're researching, I don't want you to steal your competitors' ideas. I just want you to think about what that video is about and see if you can make it your own. Like if you can make a better video, or if they were missing something from that video, or if you have better ideas than them, then you can create videos on that. But really, you're just brainstorming content ideas for right now. So you don't even have to watch their video. You just have to see what that video is about. Let's just assume that I'm a copywriter and the first video on my competitor's website was how to sell copy for service-based businesses or something like that. Then you know that people are actually thinking about sales copy for service-based businesses. And maybe you can go further than that. Maybe you can do something like how to create copy for coaches, because that's a service-based business. How to create sales copy if you're a web designer, if you're a brand designer, and so on and so forth. You're just getting an idea of the type of videos that you can create. So again, do not steal anybody else's ideas. So you're just brainstorming ideas right now. And then later, whenever you pick the ideas that you actually want to create, you're actually using everything from your talents, your knowledge. So don't steal anybody's ideas. The fifth thing that you want to do is look up complementary YouTube channels, or look up businesses that complement your business. So even though I create a lot of videos on YouTube, I actually specialize in video creation and branding. The reason why I focus on YouTube as one of my topics is because my clients actually create YouTube videos. I'm actually expanding to video editing for IGTV too. I just haven't gone that route yet. So think about the businesses that complement your business. So if I was using myself as an example, my focus is on video editing and brand design. But there's not really that much I can do on video editing. So I have to also think about what are the things that come before video editing. So my first thought would be video production. But then I mostly focus on video editing for like YouTube, IGTV, webinars, but I haven't really thought that far yet. I'm still in the beginning phases. And right now, most of my clients are from YouTube, so that's why I focus mostly on YouTube. So I know my clients would probably be thinking about YouTube SEO, video editing, organizing their files, things like that. I can actually branch out to other things. So even though I'm not offering YouTube services, like actually doing keyword searches and stuff like that, because there are actually YouTube channel managers and YouTube, I don't know what they're called, marketers. There are actually YouTube marketers, but that's not what I am. But those are things that complement my business. So other things that I can create videos on would be like video marketing, YouTube marketing, brand strategy, since I'm a brand designer, web design, social media, visibility. Those are all the things that complement my business. So if you were a wedding photographer, you would probably look at wedding caterers, wedding locations, wedding dresses, wedding cakes. So those things would complement a wedding photographer. When you're thinking about the businesses that complement you, think about the before and after of your business. As a video editor for YouTube, the before would be video production. I would need everything that happens before video editing, which is filming, script writing, brainstorming content. And then there's the after for YouTube that will be uploading your video and making sure your video is optimized, or I guess marketing your YouTube video. So that's how you come up with things that complement your business. The sixth thing that you can do is to go on Amazon and actually read the reviews for books that are related to your business. If you go to Amazon and you search the title of the book that relates to your business, you can actually go to the reviews. You can go to the good reviews and the bad reviews. The good reviews will tell you what was so great about the books, and you can write down ideas from that, like, oh, maybe I should create a video, or I know these people like this about this book, maybe I should think about that too. And I would actually go to the bad reviews to see why people hated that book, and then create a video about whatever they didn't solve. I actually have a book on copywriting. This is probably the only copywriting book that I have, and it was boring, sorry. So I didn't finish reading it. But it's called How to Write Copy That Sells: The Step-by-Step System for More Sales to More Customers More Often. The book is informative, but it's just boring. Oh, I actually made it to page 46. If you're a copywriter and you were to go to the bad reviews for this book, How to Write Copy That Sells, and you read a review like, I wish this person had simplified the chapters more and gave more information on ideas for call to actions on sales pages, then you can actually create a video on that. So research the books on Amazon and read the reviews, because you can get a lot of ideas from them. The seventh thing you can do to research video content ideas is to look through Google, Pinterest, and YouTube. All three of them are search engines, and you can use them to research topics. When I search copywriting, I didn't even finish typing copywriting, and the first thing that Pinterest suggests is copywriting. The next thing is copywriting for beginners. After that is copywriting ads, copywriting tips, copywriter, copywriting inspiration. So these are the things that people are actually searching for, and that's why these suggestions are coming up. So I'm going to type in copywriting for beginners. So that can actually be an idea for a video, copywriting for beginners. Usually Pinterest also has ideas at the top. So let me just type copywriting, and you see that there's actually results over here. Look, this guy is coming up again. 7 copywriting tips for beginners. But anyways, so I typed in copywriting, and I can do copywriting for beginners, copywriting tips. But there's also copywriting examples, copywriting template, copywriting course, copywriting email, copywriting 101, copywriting real estate. So if you wanted to target realtors, you can do copywriting for real estate. There's also copywriting formulas. For all of those are ideas that you can create for copywriting. And this isn't just Pinterest. You can do this whenever you're searching on Google or YouTube. It also has suggestions, and those are all real suggestions from real people, like the top suggestions. That's why they come out first. The number one thing that you need to know is to create tutorials. Searches on how-to videos on YouTube are growing 70% year on year. That means people are coming to YouTube to search how to do something. They're looking to solve some type of problem. So tutorials are the things that you should focus on, especially if you're a business. So just think about the people that you want to help and create videos that actually help them. What are some of the ways that you research video content ideas? Let me know in the comments down below. Next week, I'm going to talk about another keyword research tool I use called Tubix. Hit the notification bell if you want to know as soon as that video comes out. If you want more videos on video creation and branding, then check out these two videos. Over here. Until next week, bye.